According to the Pennsylvania Department of Health, another 1,742 people tested positive for the coronavirus, the highest since April 10th.
People ages 19 to 24, who usually don't get as sick as older people, now make up a much larger portion of the coronavirus positivity rate than they did early on in the pandemic.
Medical expert Dr. Arnold Baskies says the spike in cases began not long after college students arrived back at school.
Clearly, there is an increase, a spike in the numbers of cases throughout the state, and a lot of it is unfortunately due to bar hopping, house gatherings, college students having parties, etc.
New Jersey and Delaware are also reporting an increase in cases. Those states like Pennsylvania are also testing more now than before. Dr. Baskies says although there is a spike, there are also some positives. For one, the mortality rate among COVID patients has decreased across the country significantly. And while many fear what could be during this year's cold and flu season, some countries haven't seen the problems many predicted.
Australia, which had their flu season before we did, Southern Hemisphere, of course, they did not see a spike in the number of flu cases because they were wearing masks. That's probably a good part of that reason. So if we wear masks and we abide by social distancing, I think we can get through this flu season the way they did in Australia.
So do as the Australians have done. Don't give in to mask fatigue and keep them on as winter arrives.
One of the things that I'm very concerned about is that this virus, like the flu virus, loves cold weather. That's the temperatures it likes.
Reporting Stephen Fisher, NBC 10 News.